tiny bubbles and wine make me happy, make me feel fine.
Well, hey y'all, Man Mountain Link here at Man Mountain Metals, and well, I think we got it figured out. A little help from the interwebs. Turns out powdered cornstarch is the answer. Fixes up those silicone molds, helps keep down those bubbles. Bring out the clowns. Almost no bubbles. Did have a piece of trash fall off in it, so probably go back in the melting pot. But it came out pretty good. No foam, no foamed metal, no sponge-like consistency. That is some baby powder, so you gotta be real careful to shake it out. What I did to pour this one is I put some baby powder in it, put my hand over the top of it, shook it up and down, back and forth, all around, and poured the baby powder out, and like clapped it against my hand like you used to do the erasers in high school or middle school or soon you went to school. Put a little bit more baby powder in it. Do it one more time. Shake it up. Pray to your gods that it works. And sometimes it does. This is not so much. Had some bubbles in it, about 4 or 5 places. Each one of those little black dots was a place it was bubbling. So, and I don't know if it's because this mold is discolored from, I've done used it like 5 times, right, without the baby powder. This one's brand new with the baby powder. Not a problem. So, if you are using the larger silicone molds with low temperature metals, like bismuth and lead and tin, you might want to consider investing into some baby powder, even if you don't have a baby. Don't know why it's yellow, so we'll work on that next. This is Man Mountain Link at Man Mountain Metals. We'll see you later.